Yep, right there. All the way buttoned up. You have to button it all the way. That guarantees that the O-ring's set on that little tiny little spigot that it has right there. Tiny little port, coolant port that it has right there. So there it is. It's on. Now it's time to build it all back. Got to put the turbo pedestal, turbo oil return pipe, and then just start putting the turbo on and building it backwards. All right, I'm going to show you guys as I build that up. All right, see you guys in a bit.